comprehensive category. And for third place, Barangay Matina Aplayas, 75A. For second place, Barangay 5A. And for the champion, Barangay Sasa. Congratulations to the winners.
Mana? Wala na. Tara na. Kapo yun si Sisi. Wala na, oy.
Thank you and congratulations to the winners as announced by our co-chair, Ms. Ana Despina, for the close and the alternative category.
Nabuna na nila. Wala na. Pero, babay na ka dito sa IPS.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Lost and found, ha? Sandali lang.
Videohan na lang tayo sa PS. Ha? Paano? Hindi na kayo maklaro ang tao. ABS. Kinsa? Kinsa? Oo. Bata mo kasi meso. Katong kami matay manager. Ay, katong nakaputi ba? Ma'am Joy. Asa si Ma'am Gay.
Okay, may we call in now the winners of the alternative category for the awarding of prizes.
So ha? Ano?
The fifth place, Rudy Sagot Bata. Fourth place, Barangay Jesus Rizal. Third place, Barangay Matina Aplayas. Second place, Barangay 5A. And the first place, Barangay Saksa. The representatives of the winning clothes discount for the awarding ceremony. Awarding the prizes.
Our fifth winner, Ronnie Sagot Bata, para sa Kaugmaon program, will receive 20,000 pesos cash. Our fourth winner, Barangay Vicente Gizon, will receive 30,000 cash. Our third winner, the Barangay